So one of the types of gadgets that you can add inside of your Blogger is an image gadget. So now for that, I'm going to go around onto my dashboard and then go around under layout. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and let's say on the sidebar top section, I'm going to go around and add in a gadget right here. And you can see image is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it gives me a few options, as you can see right here. Like I can go around and then add in title, caption, link to the image right here, as you can see, and add in an input image URL or upload image from my computer right here. So I'm just going to go around and see TutorTube for example, and caption will be, for example, keep on learning right here, just like this. And over here, I'm not going to provide a link, but I'm going to go around and upload an image from my computer and then click on choose image. Once I do that, I'm going to go around and select out my logo and click on open right here. And then you can see that you can string to fit and so forth right here. So I'm going to go around over here and you can see that there's this image over here and it's shrinking to fit. And let me just go around and click on save, and there's this gadget right here. So if I were to go around and refresh it, what happens is that you get this particular image, as you can see right here, but it is not looking that great, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and remove this one out right here. You can go around and add in the image gadget over here. So let's just go around and type in TutorTube, and then on the caption I'm just going to say keep on learning right here, just like this. And over here I'm going to upload an image from my computer and select out, let's say, this image right here, and then click on save over here, just like this. So this is actually a large version of the image, I guess, so it's not supporting. So this is it. So I'm just going to go around and save it out right here. Once I do that, if I were to go around and refresh it, then you'll be able to see the image right over here. So if you want to show up your image, to display out your brand or so forth, then you can use Image Gadget, or to keep any image as you like. And that is how you can go around and utilize the Image Gadget inside of Blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.